So you have CreativeFuel installed, but you want to add another channel. Go to CreativeFuel on the left-hand side in the YouTube dashboard. It will load this page. Click Add Channel. Add your URL or handle. It will build a profile. Here you go. Starting to pull all the details together. Niche, content, demographics, lifestyle, that kind of thing. Pulls it all in, sucks it up, creates the profile for you. This is where you review what the channel is about. So, is the value proposition correct? Viewers gain comprehensive knowledge of crypto markets, investments and strategies. That's correct for Coin Bureau. Click continue. Topics. Okay, these are the topics that it suggests that have already been added. Here's the other ones: AI, cryptocurrency, stablecoins, CBDCs, meme coin analysis. All correct. So I can add those. I can add additional ones here, add topic, or click continue. Same again. Tell me about your audience. Financially motivated, frequent crypto forum users. Motivations, financial independence, belief in blockchain technology, desire to capitalize on new trends, correct. And their pain points: understanding cryptocurrency, finding trustworthy investments, correct. Avoiding scams, yep, sounds about right. At any point you can edit these. Tell me who your rivals are within that field, or people that you'd like to be inspired by. Altcoin Daily, Crypto World, Lark Davis, Crypto Venture, Marzello Crypto. You can add people here. It will search, it will find, you click and finish. Congratulations, your profile's now been set up. Let's go. And here you go, it's now been added here. Also do it online by going to creativefuel.ai, click sign in, go to top right hand corner and switch channels. And then as you can see here, these are the ones that have already been added. And I click add channel and you're back to the same thing that you have in YouTube. Type in the URL and it'll start building your profile.